Already media soil mixed with organic fertilizer, and this is plastic roof. Okay. Put it like that. Okay, finish. I think it's enough. Then make like a candy. Using the plastic rope. After 2 weeks, you can see that. Yes. Look, after 3 weeks.